Wake up to the sunshine, coffee in our hands, dancing in the kitchen, no big life plans. We got love, we got laughter, we got time to spend with the two cowers. Every day's a song, living love and laughter all day long. We're writing our story, come sing along. Road trips with no map, chasing every star. Late night pillow fights, that's just who we are. Every little moment feels like a work of art. We're not perfect, but we're free, building dreams from you and me. This is how life's meant to be. With the two cowers, every day's a song, living love and laughter all day long. We're writing our story.
Welcome to the Two Coaches, living life our way.
Come love with us, two cowers, life so wondrous. Wake up to the sunshine. The sun creeps low, paints the sky with gold. Cicadas hum where the stories unfold. Boots on the trail, dust clings to my heel. Out here's where the world starts to feel real, real. Trail dust and sunshine, they call my name. The wind through the pines sings a sweet refrain. Out where the rivers carve through the stone. Trail dust and sunshine, I'm finally home. The hawk takes flight, shadow stretch and sway. The deer stands still, then it bounds away. The firelight flickers, carved through the stone. Trail dust and sunshine, I'm finally home. Trail dust and sunshine, they call my name. The wind through the pines sings a sweet refrain. Out where the rivers carve through the stone. Trail dust and sunshine, I'm finally home. No neon lights, no crowded streets, just the song of the earth beneath my feet. The scent of sage, the mountainside, this is where my soul can fly.